Okay, now the 45 minutes have passed and we are going to weigh the dialysis tubes, and we start with the distilled water inside. So we need to determine the mass of the dialysis tube that was dipped in the 1.2 molar glucose. We dry it and place on the scales, so the mass is 3.52 grams. Next we take the 0.8 molar concentration, and we're going to perform the same actions. First dry the tube and then determine the mass. And the mass is 3.58 grams. Then we take the 0.4 molar concentrated glucose, and after drying put the dialysis tube on the scales. So the mass is 4.47 grams. Now let's determine the mass of distilled water in distilled water. And as you can see, the mass did not change much, so it is 5.71 gram. Now we take the tube with 1.2 molar concentrated glucose inside, so it was put in the water. And its mass is 9.2 grams. Next we take 0.8 molar concentration inside the tube, and after drying it we also determine the mass of it. It is 8.08 grams. And finally we have the lowest concentration glucose solution in the tube. Its mass is 7.54 grams. So now you need to put the results of the experiment into the table and draw the graph about the change of the mass for these dialysis tubes.